So here is some quick solution to fix the DaVinci Resolve crashing and freezing if you're using DaVinci Resolve in Windows PC. So the first solution is just do the playback option, click on it and delete render cache. Click on it, click all, click delete. After deleting the delete all cache, you just need to go to the DaVinci Resolve and go for check for updates and make sure you are using the latest version of the DaVinci Resolve. Once you've done that, you just need to close out here and just need to go to the settings, open the settings option, then go to the system. After that, click on display. Then you need to go down and click on graphics here and you need to find here the DaVinci Resolve. Right click on it, click on option and make sure you're choosing the high performance and just click save. So if you don't find the DaVinci Resolve here, you can just go to the desktop app, click on browse and you can find your DaVinci Resolve. Where you install your DaVinci Resolve, just find it and click on add and you will find this DaVinci Resolve option here. Then do just this save option. And after that, check if your DaVinci Resolve is working or the crashing problem is solved. If that doesn't work, the last solution is just to delete or install your DaVinci Resolve and download it again and reinstall it. Sometimes reinstall the DaVinci Resolve will also solve your problem. So if you don't know how to install it, just go to the start menu, go to settings, then go to the apps option, click on install apps and find the DaVinci Resolve from here and just uninstall it and just again go to the browser, download it and reinstall. So that's it guys. This is the cool solution to fix the problem of DaVinci Resolve. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.